In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book open jaw flights on Google Flights. Have you ever wanted to fly into one city and depart from another on the same trip without the hassle of booking multiple one-way tickets? This kind of booking is known as an open jaw flight, and today we're diving into how to effortlessly manage this on Google Flights. First things first, let's head over to Google Flights. You can type Google Flights into your search bar or simply visit www.google.com/travel/flights. Google Flights is a comprehensive tool allowing you to compare flight prices across different airlines, making it your go-to for booking trips efficiently and cost effectively. Once the page is loaded, notice there's a sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it. Signing in isn't just about tracking your flights, it customizes your experience, keeping all your searches and preferences in one place. This will prompt a window where you choose your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account on another tab, it might automatically recognize you. Next, type in your Google password. Keep your credentials secure and consider using a password manager for better security. After entering your password, hit Next. This step is about ensuring that it's really you making the booking and accessing your Google account. Now for the exciting part, look for a drop-down that defaults to round trip, because that's the common flight search. However, we're going a different route, metaphorically and literally. Click on this drop-down and then click on multi-city. Multi-city flights allow you to book flights to several destinations, perfect for our open jaw journey. Then it's time to add your initial location. This is where your journey will begin. Your starting point might be where you live or another city you plan to visit first. Just type in the city name or airport code and Google Flights will list it for you. Next, you're going to add your itinerary, or in our case, your open jaw destination. This means if you're flying from, say, New York to Paris and then planning to return from Rome to New York, Paris is your open jaw destination. Enter this destination next. Upon adding your open jar city, you'll need to input your itinerary as if you're flying back to your initial location from your destination. However, instead of actually booking a round trip, you're strategizing to find the best open jaw flights that match your planned travel. Now, choose your actual destination. If we continue with our example, this is where you'd input Rome. After entering both your starting point and both destinations, you're all set to explore the flight options. Click on Explore to find flights that correlate with your inputs. Google Flights will now display a range of flights that fit the open jaw itinerary you're planning. From budget options to more luxurious choices, the platform offers a comprehensive look at what's available, enabling you to make the best decision based on your preferences and budget. When selecting flights, pay attention to layovers, flight durations, and, of course, prices. Sometimes opting for a flight with a stop might save you a considerable amount, or choosing a different time of day to fly might offer a better deal. Google Flights also allows you to track prices for a specific flight. By turning on tracking, you'll receive updates when prices drop or rise, helping you book at the optimal time. In some cases, it might be more economical or convenient to book two separate one-way flights rather than using the multi-city option. It's worth comparing these before making a final decision. Remember, flexibility is key when booking open jaw flights. Being open to flying on different days or at different times can lead to significant savings and a better overall travel experience. That wraps up our guide to booking open jaw flights through Google Flights. With a bit of planning and flexibility, you can explore multiple destinations in one trip without breaking the bank. Happy travels, and be sure to share your adventures with us.